mirrors can be used as a form of visual enrichment. Using mirrors proved to be a very efficient method to simulate breeding in zoo house flamingos. In the wild, they are breeding in large flocks that provide them protection against predators. In zoos, they are usually kept in smaller groups due to space limitations. Providing flamingos with mirrors was a great solution, as it for them all of a sudden seemed like there were 2 times more of them, which stimulated them to breed. It was a sign of improved welfare and animals feeling safe, as animals are more likely to breed when relaxed and healthy. At the Marine Biological Research Center, there are 2 Murres. Common Murres are subarctic birds, spending the majority of their life out at sea, coming to land only to breed in big colonies. The 2 individuals at the research institute became jumpy and unfocused after reaching sexual maturity. Together with scientists working with the birds, we decided to try using mirrors as a form of environmental enrichment. Our aim was to provide the birds with visual stimulation and to check if the mirrors will affect their behavior. Are you curious about what happened? Before we show you the results, let us explain why Murres are kept at the institute. The 2 individuals, named Blue and Green, take part in an auditory research. They are trained to do an underwater and in-air hearing test. Thanks to that, scientists will be able to make an audiogram, and in different words we will learn what they can hear. This may help us to establish new rules about noise pollution and thereby benefit the wild populations. Noises are a big problem for marine animals, as it can travel long distances underwater, potentially preventing marine animals from hearing their prey or predators, finding the way, or connecting with mates and their young. This research deepens our understanding of the problem and helps us find potential solutions. Now we head back to Blue and Green. Although they might be fearful and careful with new objects, they approach the mirror as soon as they get their eyes on it. They stayed next to the mirror for over half an hour, checking it out, pecking at it, and making loud noises. They seemed very curious about the new birds. The Murres were walking back and forth from one side to the other and seemed surprised by the fact that the new birds disappeared at the sides. "Where are you guys? Come on, join us!" The interest with the mirror was so great that we left it there for the night. In the morning we saw the Murres mating. What a turn of events! The mirror definitely deserves the seal of approval. But that's not all. We put a second mirror in the acoustic chamber where Blue is doing her in-ear hearing tests, and the mirror made her calmer during the tests. It also helped us to keep her there for longer after the training. Thanks to that, she wouldn't disturb Green during his underwater hearing test. Since we found out all that, we tried placing the mirrors in many different parts of the enclosure. It motivated the birds to use more of the space instead of only going to their favorite places. They also started making sounds that we never heard them do before, but are common to hear in wild during mating season. This is what we call enhancing species appropriate behavior and increasing behavior diversity. Our project was developed exactly for moments like this. We are very grateful to the Marine Biological Research Center and the scientists who were eager to collaborate with us.